Hi, my name is Timo, and this is a recording of how to actually set up the Tableau photo booth on your Windows machine. Currently, it's Windows only, and if you want to set it up on your machine, you currently also need to work for Tableau in order to get the code. What it really is part of the blog post, which you can find here. You can also see how an end user can use the Tableau photo booth once it's set up. And then down here, you see you can download an XAMPP plus the Tableau photo booth as a zip file in that link. And I will add the video to that blog post once I've recorded it. Okay, so if you're a Tableau employee, you should have access to that folder and you should be able to download that 7 zip file. Once you've done that, please extract and copy that directly into your Z drive. So you should see the exact same path, C, XAMPP, and there you have your XAMPP installed. I set up the XAMPP so that it's leveraging port 8888, 4x8. And so if you're already using something on that exact same port, a different application is using the exact same port, it won't run. So therefore you might want to reconfigure XAMPP, or you simply change like that other application to leverage a different port. Okay, once that's done, you should see something like this and you should be ready to go. So I will opening up a new browser window and just put that in here. And when you're going to localhost 8888, it should already open up like the Tableau photo booth because that's the default folder. Okay, I don't need to explain how that works because that's part of the end user tutorial I was showing you on the blog post. One last thing, you might don't see like that Tableau visualization here at the very beginning. And in order to see that, I will go back to the folder you have seen before. So when you're going down into the htdocs folder, which is the default web application folder, and Tableau Fans photo booth folder, you see just a single workbook, which is called Tableau Fans photo booth, TWBX. Why TWBX? There's just a line in there, and yeah, that's why I zipped it. And yeah, you just go and opening that up in 2018.1 or above and publish that to your default Tableau site, Tableau server site, as well as the default Tableau project. So let's quickly have a look how that looks like. So you're opening that up and simply publishing that into the default project and default site. And it needs to have the exact same name, right? Tableau Fans photo booth, as well as the name participant overview, which is the workbook you've just seen, which is embedded in here. And once that's done, you should be ready to go. You can do a quick test by just take a picture of yourself and then fill in the name and department over there. You can just change the values or questions according to your needs. And once you're submitting it, you should be able to see that added user. So just click on Germany in this case, and then I see just the picture I've taken a couple of seconds ago. Cool. So that's how you can set it up by yourself. Yeah. If there are any questions or something is not working, please feel free to reach out to me. Other than that, enjoy the time with the Tableau photo booth or adjusting it to some other things you're having in mind. Thank you so much.